Statistics. What is statistics? People always freak out when they hear the word statistics. People, like me. Now, the main reason why people don't feel a strong connection with this word is because they see all those intimidating formulas with fancy Greek letters and they would decide, let's call it a day. But the truth is, statistics is not a challenging math subject. In fact, the math involved is very simple. Statistics is really a study of making decisions or draw conclusions about the population through analyzing data from a sample. The characteristics of the population are called parameters. We almost never study the parameters because most of the time it is too hard to collect data from the entire population of which we are studying due to the size of the population. Instead, we use statistics or characteristics of samples. A sample is a subset of the population interested. There are two different types of data, categorical and numerical. Categorical data are qualitative. Numerical data are quantitative, or basically, numbers. We analyze data by looking at tables or graphical displays, like scatter plots, histograms, pie charts and others. Then we perform certain tests from the data. For example, we randomly selected a group of students from a large university and recorded their type of corrective eyewear. After recording all the responses, we total the counts, or frequency from each category, classes, contacts, or none. We can present the data in the form of a frequency table, which tells us the categories and the number of counts for each category. If we want to get more visual, we can use a bar chart to display the data. In this case, the height of each bar would be the frequency of each category. Or, if we want to compare proportion of the data instead of the frequency, we can use a pie chart. The size of each sector represents the proportion of each type of corrective eyewear from the students surveyed. A collection of numerical data has more characteristics. For example, we can look at the original data and figure out the minimum value, the maximum value, the first quartile, the median, the third quartile, and the maximum value. These values together are called the five-number summary. When we are presenting numerical data, it is easier if we group the data into small intervals since it is less likely to have overlapping data. After sorting the data into smaller groups, we count the frequency from each group and create a display called a histogram. We can look at the histogram and determine the shape of the distribution, whether it is symmetrical, and describe any unusual features. I hope this video has helped you understand what statistics is, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. More good stuff coming soon. See you guys next time. Statistic.